Hi, welcome to Tech World. We are here to discuss about Paul because people say that information is powerful and the information each every airdrop is giving us make us to be assured that what we are doing is in line, and at the end of it we'll be able to achieve great. So that is why I want to share the information in this page step by step to you. So we are going to talk about the total supply of Paul. We're going to talk about the total supply. We are going to talk about the event they organize, and we are going to talk about how the virtuals are being meeting the meeting of NFT. So I want you to stick to the end of this video so that you'll be able to grab everything. So that when you are mining Paul, you'll be able, when you are mining or you are farming Paul, you understand that you are doing the right thing, because any hidden information is dangerous to what our airdrop. So we'll go over to it now. And quite all right, we have 3,000, as you can see here. We have 3,600 Paws virtual being born so far. These are the things 3,300 Paws shall be born. It's like a W coin that if you don't enter 3 days, it will burn almost 2 point something million from your coins. So if you come over to this place now, right now at 17 hours ago, they posted this. At 17 hours ago, they posted this. Say join a special stream as Sport Talk Center stage hosted by Dude Solana the main, which is all those main coins and the rest. So you see all these things. This event now is on live now. I think it have not come to the end. It's on live now. They posted it, they gave the announcement yesterday, and they are doing it today. So many questions will be coming arise, many questions will be arising. And in this place now, they can announce, they will be giving hints to their own TGE. So as we also go front, we'll see 2,300 already claim the diamond roles in port discounts. You know, they announced this thing in their telegram before, that they are going to put this thing. There are people that are going to own a diamond if you have 10,000 meted NFT. The voucher, if you have it, they are 10,000 meted NFT, the voucher. That now they are saying that 2,300 already have it. You can see the market is booming. Things are going. Things are going. Secure yours for exclusive insight and special activities. 10 virtual require. 10 virtual require. 10 virtual require. So this is the diamond. That is what they are showing you now. This is the diamond. The diamond is what they are showing now. So when you come over to fame code is a form of a snapshot, that your snapshot is going to come up. So many reactions are taking place. So many reactions are taking place. Say farming season is almost over. No more quests will be available soon. The final check on Pulse webs is mandatory for the drop complete. It's mandatory for the drop complete it now. The final check for Pulse is mandatory. That is, the activity check is very mandatory. Go, if you have not checked your activities, I made a video over it. Go to my channel, you see the video of how you will be able to check your activities. It's very simple and straightforward. And this snapshot is a form of snapshot for Paws Airdrop. Then when you come, the meeting got harder. 222 token supply, only 40Ks remaining. Once they are done, meetings of Paws virtuals will be closed for good. Meeting, some people think that reaction comes from this place. They think that this is the total supply, circulating supply. For you to get a price in every airdrop, you have a circulating supply equals to what? Market cap all over circulating supply. As in price, what I mean is that price, for you to get the price, it is market cap all over circulating supply. People think that this is the real supply that Pulse want to bring. Then when you times it, you won't see anything. So I don't think this is the real one, because StafSwap just brought out 1 billion. 1 billion. You understand? So if you go further, you see that pre-market accelerated. You see 8,500 plus NFT sold daily 8,500. And each NFT is amount to what? $20. each NFTs amount to $20. So the highest across all blockchain. Meanwhile, 2,600 Paws versions have already been born by the team. Look at the team, 2,500. They show you a pictures representing it. So when you come over to verify your paw now, verify this is the activities. So I take it from up to the down. So take it from up to the down. That is why you're seeing these different things. Make sure you meet the final mandatory criteria on paw web to stay eligible. Make sure you secure your eligibilities in paw. So go and do your what final activities check. Then this is what they said in the front again, that if you have 10 voucher, you'll be able to participate in this special diamonds rule. If you have 10 voucher, you'll be able to participate in this diamond voucher rule. And this event only take place in this course. They brought out a task which does not attach to any word reward, that you should connect your Discord. So these are the little one I have now. For a year now, you say hello tier, and Paul in Phantom Wallet, Paul is climbing higher. In Phantom Wallet, Paul is the first. Paul, the trendy part of it, Paul is the first. The trendy part of it, Paul is the first. So that will tell you that Paul, you need to do it very well. You need to be serious. You need to be focused in Paul. Time to get paused. Paused. Time to get paused. So with all this information, you should be able to understand that the project you are doing now, the airdrop you are doing now, is going to be what? Authentic. It's not going to be fake. It's going to be authentic. So make sure you put your mind, strengthen your heart to finish to the ending and the lesson time. So I have other projects. Thank you very much for following me to the end. And I have other projects in the link which you can join. And I think everything will be good. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.